Okay, hi everyone, my name's Clarke and I'm the CEO of INTJ Billing. I'm here tonight at Pride of our Footscray community bar, and I'm doing some work on location with Pride Bar in association with Matt O'Keefe, who is the CEO of the bar. What we've done today is we've set up Bitcoin Lightning payments for the bar. We're one of the first bars in Australia to pioneer the use of Bitcoin Lightning Network. So I've set up a BTCPay Server for the bar, and we're using Ride the Lightning Network. And right now, we're going to demonstrate me coming in as a customer and purchasing a drink at the bar for Bitcoin using my Bitcoin Lightning Network wallet on my phone. Okay, so here we go. I've got my phone here, and I've got a wallet. I've got Wallet of Satoshi installed on my phone. It's one of the easiest wallets to use, and you can see I've got some Satoshis, 193,585. And I'm going to come up to the bar. How are you doing, Matt?
Good, Clarke, and yourself? Good to see you again.
Thank you. Good to see you too. You know, I'd really like a Han Solo drink tonight, please.
Han Solos are very nice, my friend. How would you like to pay for that?
I'd like to pay for using the Bitcoin Lightning Network.
Fantastic. Let's do that. The famous Han Solo is $10. Would you like to leave a tip as well?
I would. Let's leave a 15% tip. 15%
tip. He could have gone 20, he's gone 15. That brings the total to $11.50.
Fantastic.
Thank you, my good friend.
So here we've got BTCPay Server, and this is the invoice. I'm going to scan this invoice using my phone, and I'm going to hit pay. And what you'll see here is the invoice will go through and it will be paid. There you go. And I've now paid for a drink at the bar using BTCPay Server and Ride the Lightning Network. Now, just behind the bar, what we've got is we've got a laptop set up, and that laptop, this is where we're running BTCPay Server and Ride the Lightning. And right here we can see that we've got an outbound capacity, and if we refresh that now, the outbound capacity of the server has increased in the amount of the purchase that I've just made for a Han Solo at the bar.
So the bar's already got the money. That's what you're saying.
The bar's got the money, all the accounting's been done, the transaction's gone through, it's been settled, there's no fee that's been charged. The bar has kept 100% of that transaction amount, and all the accounting details are already done. We don't have the my name and my personal details, but the bar's got every other detail in regards to the transaction that has just occurred. Now, the reason why we want to use Bitcoin and the Bitcoin Lightning Network is that it's the most open and transparent network available. Traditionally, back in the old days, back when Bitcoin first started, there was a reputation that people were using it for nefarious purposes. However, where we're at now with Bitcoin, because it's open and it's public, the primary use of this at the bar is to save money in terms of dealing with payment processes like Visa, MasterCard, the banks, and so on, and speeding up the amount of time that it takes at the bar to purchase a drink and needing to deal with physical cash. It's very early days with the Bitcoin Lightning Network. I think we're probably around 1990 to 1991 or 92 in terms of internet years. But over time, we're going to see this network expand. It's already expanding at an exponential rate, and it's just very exciting to get Pride set up and working with BTCPay Server and Ride the Lightning, one of the first bars in Australia.
No, thanks, Clarke. It's even better now that we can use Lightning. It's fantastic. So thanks for doing that for us today.
Not a problem,
when we take the money from the debit cards, it takes us 4 days to see the money. And for a small business like us, that's a long time. So it's amazing to see that go through so quickly, and it'll just give another point of difference to the bar, and I hope people will enjoy it and use it.
Excellent.
Yeah,
fantastic. There we go. Okay, thank you.